Customer states that they have chatter when hitting the brakes on their 2002 Toyota Tacoma. So, checking everything else out, brake pads look good, rotors look good. Customer brought a used caliper thinking that there's a crack in it. Can't find a crack anywhere in this caliper. But I will let you figure out something. Maybe you can spot this for me. I don't think it's what he thought it was. Because I couldn't figure out anything on the passenger side. And I heard this do this myself. And it sounded like a grinding noise. But I can't figure out what it's grinding on until I went and jacked up the driver's side. Maybe you can figure this out. So, customer said it's on the passenger side. Okay, everything looks good on the passenger side. Suspension looks good. Brakes look good. Rotor looks good. Everything does like it should do. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. Alright, rotors are good on the driver's side, right? Nothing on that side. But looks like the bushings are shot. Well, at least the back bushing. But I'm not the type of person who likes to just replace just one. I went and told the customer, and we found a set of bottom control arms that need to be replaced on both sides. An argument could be made for the top ones and the entire suspension and everything else. It's like $360. So I said, well, how about this? We replace the bottom ones. See if we can find some bushings. Just replace some of the other components. He said, okay. I'll let you know how that goes.